Mathematics. To some, it's just numbers and equations. To others, it's a language, a code that speaks to the universe itself. But what if I told you that math is more than a subject? That it's a philosophy, a way of seeing the world, and even a path to understanding life itself. Math is everywhere. It's in the rhythm of the waves, the symmetry of a snowflake, the spiral of a galaxy. It's the unseen pattern in the chaos, the order beneath the surface. It doesn't just explain the world, it reveals its beauty. We often see math as a challenge, something to conquer. But math is not here to intimidate us, it's here to teach us. It teaches us that problems have solutions, that effort leads to understanding, and that even the most complex puzzles can be broken down step by step. Think about it. Every bridge you cross, every plane you board, every signal sent to the stars, they all exist because of math. It's not just about what we learn in textbooks, it's the foundation of progress, the silent force that powers innovation. Every time you cross a bridge, you trust math. The calculations that ensure its strength, the angles that hold it steady, the equations that keep it standing even against the strongest winds. All of it math. Every time you shop for groceries, math is by your side. It's in the prices you compare, the change you count, the weight of the produce you measure. Without realizing it, you're solving problems, finding solutions, and making decisions, all guided by numbers. Every wave that touches the shore carries math within it. The rhythm, the force, the perfect curves, they're all shaped by mathematical patterns, the same patterns that guide the orbits of planets and the flow of rivers. Every equation you solve teaches you more than just numbers. It teaches you patience, logic, and persistence. It reminds you that every complex problem can be broken down step by step until clarity emerges. When you assemble a piece of furniture, math is your silent guide. Angles, measurements, symmetry, it's the unseen force that ensures everything fits perfectly together. Every recipe you follow is a symphony of math. Ratios, proportions, timing, every pinch, every second matters. It's math that turns raw ingredients into something extraordinary. Every time you board a plane, you place your trust in math. The aerodynamics of flight, the precise fuel calculations, the navigation across continents, it's math that keeps us soaring above the clouds. Even in nature, math surrounds us. The spiral of a shell, the symmetry of a leaf, the patterns in a honeycomb, they all remind us that math is the language of life itself. And every time you look up at the stars, remember, math is there too. It's the reason we understand their light, their distance, their story. Math takes us beyond the limits of our imagination, helping us grasp the infinite. Math isn't just a subject, it's the foundation of the world around you. Trust it, learn from it, and see its beauty everywhere you go. Fade to black with the words, Math, the invisible force behind everything. Mathematics is a legacy passed down through generations, from ancient scribes carving numbers into stone to modern-day scientists decoding the secrets of the universe. Math has been the compass guiding humanity forward. But math isn't just for scientists and engineers, it's for all of us. It teaches us how to think critically, how to solve problems, and how to approach life with logic and creativity. It's the art of finding solutions in the face of uncertainty. When you solve a math problem, you're not just working with numbers, you're learning resilience. You're learning that failure isn't the end, but a step toward clarity. Math teaches us patience, persistence, and the belief that every problem has a key. The truth is, math is more than a subject. It's a mindset. It's the belief that with enough effort, the impossible can become possible. That every setback is just another equation waiting to be solved. So the next time you pick up a pen to solve a problem, remember, you're not just learning math, you're learning life. You're discovering the patterns, the possibilities, and the infinite potential within you. Mathematics, the art of life, the language of the universe, the key to infinite possibilities.